this is the pattern in Maruti. So I'll go to 1 hour. Fine. I guess it's also a parallel channel. We'll verify it out. Yeah. So this is also a parallel channel in Maruti. And I also have a trend line like this.
Anyhow, you are drawing two trend lines.
Okay.
What's the advantage of having the parallel channel?
You yourself tell me. Just think for a moment and tell me. I have these two trend lines. Apart from that, what is the reason I am drawing a parallel channel? Try to find it out.
This was continuation of the trend line.
Okay, other than that, any
capture the moment,
like the middle line.
Yeah, who's that?
Money
bro. Yeah, perfect. See, in parallel channel, you have an extra support resistance line in the form of this midpoint, middle line, dotted line, which is also going to act as your support resistance accordingly. If you are entering here, now this will be your first target. Market will take a resistance here, consolidate, and then break out. So this can be your first target. Or sometimes if it is coming down also, you will be able to exit here.
So one doubt. So I was about to ask this doubt. So this middle line, this will act as support or resistance.
Exactly.
So this is also like a trend line. So will be initiating a trade or
you can initiate a trade. If you are so desperate, you can initiate a trade at the midpoints also. So you need to watch out for the candlesticks. How we will do it is, after consolidating, okay, if it is consolidating for a while and then giving a breakout, let's say a 1 hour candle has closed here, now it's okay to enter here, keeping your stop loss below. Where am I keeping my stop loss? Not here.
Yeah, below that.
Below the particular candle. You are entering because this trend line, you are visualizing this as a trend line. So you need to respect that. Okay. See, sometimes you can take a trade based on this midpoint breakout also. Nothing wrong. Okay. So now coming back to this Maruthi's chart. So I can draw a trend line like this, or I'll go to 15 minutes to get a clear picture. Okay. Yeah. So this is the trend line. 1 hour also. Yeah. I'm connecting all the closes to get more touch points. This is the trend line. It broke out in the morning. It has come down for a pullback, and now again it is reversing. Okay. So if I go to 15 minutes, yeah, this is where you want to enter. If you see I'm an aggressive trader. Okay. Out of my experience, I take some aggressive entries where I don't wait for this reversal candle. But if you are slightly scared to enter at the bottom of a bearish momentum candle, okay, it's completely fine. You can wait for this reversal candle and enter here. But in some few days, you will also get the conviction. It's about the conviction. You need to trust your patterns and trend lines. Once you are able to do that, so it comes with a bit of experience also. Then you will not be scared to enter here. That is the entry I gave you in Aarti Industries also. Right when it came towards the support, obviously it's going to look bearish. Whenever it is coming for a retest, if you want to capture the exact bottom, the candle will be like this only, bearish candle only. Just going to ignore all of this and stick to your trend line and take an entry here. Or else this entry is also fine, but do not chase it here. So if you're doing it, then your stop loss has to be below this level. So see if you're able to manage this risk. So it's going to be a 50-point stop loss. So if that is okay, you can also take an entry here, or at least wait for this dip and then enter. Again at the trend line, you can enter, keeping your stop loss here. See, entries is all about patience. Just because you are seeing a high probable trade, do not jump in. Okay, you should be very patient enough to get the best entry. That will make sure you lose very small amount of money when you go wrong. That is the important.